This is an IFS meditation for chronic pain and chronic fatigue. And in this meditation, we're going to invite compassionate awareness towards the parts of the system connected to this pain and fatigue, and gently explore any parts, any protectors, holding tension, burden, or exhaustion. So I'd like you to just gently close your eyes and take a couple of deep breaths. Begin by settling in. Let your body find whatever comfortable position is possible right now. Allow your breath to slow. And notice your whole system slowing as your breath slows. And as you inhale and exhale, see if you can invite a sense of warmth and safety. A sense that for these next few minutes, there is nowhere else you need to be. Gently turn your attention inward. Notice what's happening in your body today without needing to change anything. Just bringing kind attention to the sensations you're aware of. Is there a place in your body that wants some attention today? Is it a place that feels heavy or tight, painful or sore? See if you can bring your awareness to that area, or let that area come into awareness on its own. And now just curiously notice, what's it like to focus on that part of your body? How are you feeling towards that part? Do you feel close to it? Irritated, frustrated, numb, curious? Check and see how you're feeling towards it. And if there's a part that is feeling frustrated, let it know that you see it. And if it makes sense to you, let it know that. Let it know it makes sense. That it's feeling frustrated. And notice how it responds. And just see if it'll be willing to soften give you space to get to know the part that's holding pain. Just see if that would be possible. And if it's not possible, that's okay. We can spend some time with this one that's feeling frustrated. But if it is possible, really thank it for allowing us to get curious about this one that's holding pain or fatigue. And I'd like you to check and see again. Notice how you're feeling towards this part. And if you notice self-energy towards this part, curiosity, compassion, then we can move on. I'd like you to approach this part and just notice what comes up for you as you turn towards it. What do you see, sense? How is this one feeling? And I'd like you to ask this one, what do you want me to know or understand? And just wait for an answer. And if it has answered, I'd like you to thank it. And if it makes sense, what it shared, I'd like you to say to it, that makes sense. I'm here to get to know you better. And if you notice another part of you jumping in, perhaps a part that wants to fix it, analyze it, or push it away, just notice that too. You can say to this one that's jumping in, I see you. Thank you for trying to help. And gently ask that part if it's willing to step back just for a few minutes so you can connect with the part that's holding the fatigue or the pain. And just see if it's willing to step back, to soften. And if it does, thank it. Thank it for giving you space to be with this one that's holding pain. And when you're able, turn back towards the one that's holding pain and ask it, what are you carrying? And just wait for an answer. Thank it and ask, what do you want me to know about your pain? And just listen with curiosity and compassion, like you would with a young child. You might hear a story, feel an emotion, or simply sense how long this part has been holding something for you. If it feels okay, ask, how long have you been carrying this? And ask, what has it been like for you? And now see if this part might be willing to show you how it would feel if it didn't have to carry this anymore. What might it need in order to feel supported, lighter, and more at peace? And I don't know, you're not here to force anything, just to be with it, to witness it and offer care. But yeah, just see. You might even gently place a hand over that part of your body. And if not, just imagine a healing light that is transcending to that area of your body, if that feels comforting. And silently say, I'm here with you. I see you. Thank you for everything you've held. And notice how it responds. I'd like you to check in with this one and just ask it, what do you need from me right now? And just wait for an answer. And if you can, if it feels right, can you offer it that? And just notice how it responds. And I'd like you to ask it, how would you like me to check back in with you? And just see what they say. And see if this is something you can offer it. A promise to check back in with it in the way that it wants to be checked back in with. And I'd like you to ask it, is there anything else it wants you to know before we say goodbye? I'd like you to really thank this one and thank all your parts for sharing what they've shared today. I'd like you to take a couple of deep breaths now. you feel ready, open your eyes and come back to the space around you.